We want to add a couple of raised beds to our garden. One right here and one right here along the fence. But instead of going out and buying either raised beds or stuff to make raised beds, I've got something that I think will work. I'm gonna use these old cafeteria trays. I'm pretty sure I got enough. Let's see if I can get Dot and B to help me. Hole right here. Put the holes to this side of those marks. That's a slug.
Could you please extract it from my tray?
Hold that up there for me, Mom. Alright, so that'll be the last one. Good. We did pretty good, huh? We got all those made. 2 sides, 2 ends for 2 boxes.
Wait, don't bring too many out.
Oh, hit the high gear. Turn. Oop.
Sorry.
It's alright. Go. And stop. Nice. Well, wait, you didn't stop. I wanted to take some of this dirt right here. Back up a little, will you?
You gotta get up the hill.
You can drive?
Okay.
You want me to drive?
I'll drive.
Yeah, I guess we shouldn't overload it too much for their trial run, huh? That's quite a bit.
Hey,
Hold on.
put one more bucket in there. Scoop. I'm leaving without you. I'm leaving.
Okay, you're gonna have to go in reverse.
I know. So get out of the way. Moving target.
Give her gas. Yeah. See what happens. Whoa. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Rock and roll. All right. Let's see the dump bed.
I want to dump it.
Okay. Nice. Pull. There you go. Oop. All right, here it goes. Oh, I missed the shot. Can you believe that? I'm a terrible photographer.
Yeah, you are.
That's not bad though, huh?
You want to do these and I'll do the one. Yep. So I'm going to start like here.
Now the magic bush.
Yeah.
Wait, Daddy, it will be this one, not this one.
How's it look?
Good.
Yeah, that looks good. Harvest some of the moss. Because we got lots of it, huh? And we don't need it on the roof.
You like hiding at the bottom of the bucket.
My bucket's almost full.
My bucket isn't.
Way down, Chad.
That-
Now go down. Like
The
that,
nut-
right,
yeah.
Dad?
You're holding it, it's like up to your knuckles. So these raised garden beds are working really well. They're made from those old cafeteria trays. They're fiberglass, basically indestructible. This one we used all summer, and we'll plant it again this coming spring. And this one over here took us a little bit longer to get finished, but we got our garlic planted in there. And come July, we'll be able to harvest that garlic, and then we're gonna plant some strawberries in here for the following season. You know, when one of my students pulled all these trays out of a dumpster, I had no idea that they would be helping me grow food. I'm glad I didn't have a failure of imagination and throw them back away. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your greenhouse gas reduction projects.